Auto Reviews is welcome back everyone to another extremely detailed and honest agricultural machine review for the year 2026. Today we are taking a deep comprehensive look at the legendary Fiatagri F130 tractor, a machine that has built a reputation over the years for being tough, dependable and purpose-built for serious farm work. Even in today's era of high-tech electronically advanced tractors, the Fiatagri F130 continues to hold strong appeal among farmers, contractors and classic machinery enthusiasts who value mechanical simplicity, long-term durability and real-world performance over unnecessary complexity. Right from the first moment you see the Fiatagri F130, it communicates strength and confidence. The bold red bodywork, the squared front fascia and the large aggressive agricultural tires immediately signal that this tractor was engineered for demanding environments rather than showroom display. The design language follows the traditional Fiatagri philosophy, where every panel, every component and every line serves a clear functional purpose rather than purely aesthetic goals. Moving toward the front section, the heavy-duty grille and cooling system stand out as key elements that support extended operation under load. Effective engine cooling is critical during long hours of plowing, cultivating or hauling, and the F130 was clearly designed with this in mind. The structural build quality of the hood and front assembly feels solid and work-ready, which is one of the reasons many older Fiatagri machines are still active in the field today. Shifting to the side profile, the tractor displays well-balanced proportions with a long engine hood, a centrally positioned cab and massive rear wheels that provide the traction needed for heavy drawbar work. This balanced layout contributes significantly to the tractor's stability, especially when operating on uneven farmland or pulling heavy implements under challenging soil conditions. Under the hood, the Fiatagri F130 is powered by a robust diesel engine known for delivering steady torque and dependable output across a wide working range. Unlike some modern high-strung engines, this power unit focuses on consistent pulling strength, which is exactly what farmers need during deep tillage, heavy cultivation and loaded transport tasks. In real-world use, operators often report that the F130 maintains its power delivery smoothly without sudden drops or overheating issues when properly maintained. One of the biggest advantages of this tractor, even in 2026, is its straightforward mechanical architecture. Many modern tractors rely heavily on complex electronics, sensors and software systems, which, while advanced, can sometimes increase downtime and repair costs. In contrast, the Fiatagri F130 offers a more traditional mechanical setup that experienced operators and farm mechanics can easily understand, troubleshoot and maintain. This simplicity translates directly into lower long-term ownership stress for many users. Climbing into the operator cab, you are greeted by a practical, no-nonsense interior layout. The driver's seat is designed to provide reasonable comfort and support during extended working hours, while the steering wheel offers solid feedback and precise control. The analog instrument cluster is clear, legible and focused on delivering essential operating information such as engine speed, temperature and fuel levels without overwhelming the operator with unnecessary digital clutter. Control levers for the transmission, hydraulics and rear linkage are positioned logically within easy reach, allowing smooth workflow during field operations. Visibility from the cab remains one of the strong suits of the Fiatagri F130. Thanks to the large glass areas and well-proportioned cab height, the driver benefits from an excellent field of view, which is especially valuable when performing precision tasks like lining up implements, monitoring plow depth or maneuvering in tight farmyard spaces. Moving to the rear section, the tractor is equipped with a heavy-duty 3-point hitch system built to handle a wide range of agricultural implements, from plows and cultivators to seeders and trailers. The hydraulic system provides reliable lifting performance and steady control, making implement management straightforward and predictable. Versatility is a key strength here because the F130 can transition between different farm roles without requiring complicated setup procedures. Durability is another area where this tractor continues to earn respect. Many units in operation today have accumulated thousands of working hours yet still perform reliably, which speaks to the quality of materials, engineering tolerances and overall build philosophy used during production. Fuel consumption for the F130 is considered reasonable for its power class, helping farmers manage operating expenses over long seasonal workloads. When driving across rough farm tracks or transporting loads between fields, the tractor maintains a composed and planted feel, largely due to its strong chassis design and balanced weight distribution. The transmission engages gears with confidence, allowing operators to match ground speed effectively with engine output depending on the task, whether working slowly in heavy soil or moving more quickly during transport duties. Overall, in the context of 2026, the Fiatagri F130 represents a proven and trustworthy agricultural workhorse that continues to deliver where it matters most in the field. It may not feature modern touchscreens, advanced automation or high-level electronic integration, but what it offers is something many professionals still prioritize: prioritize dependable mechanical performance, straightforward serviceability, strong pulling power, and long-term reliability. If you are a farmer, contractor, or machinery enthusiast looking for a classic tractor that focuses on real productivity and durability rather than unnecessary complexity, the Fiatagri F130 remains a highly compelling option even today. Thank you for watching this detailed review, and make sure to stay connected for more in-depth equipment coverage. Auto Reviews is